Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a yummy 2 meat and 8 cheese lasagna along with some garlic butter, French baguette, and a side of Caesar salad. So let's get straight into the video.
Xzachlyee.
So I sauteed the chopped up bell peppers and onions in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then added 1 pound of mild ground Italian sausage and 1 pound of lean ground beef.
Xzachlyee. Xzachlyee.
I like to make the lasagna in 2 separate dishes so I can have the option of storing one in the freezer. As you can see, I did forget to put the foil on at first, but I went back and put it on. So what I have is my favorite French baguette. This is literally nostalgic because I used to eat this all the time when I was young, and I always said the bag with the blue, red, and white stripes, my favorite bread. So what I did with these was I made a mixture of 3 tablespoons of butter, a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, and I brush it on both sides, and I put this in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the final product. As soon as they come out of the oven, a lot of people don't talk about this, they're very oily. So I pat them down so I get all the excess oil out because it's not cute and I don't like oily food. And I usually garnish them with basil because basil has like a really nice sweetness to it and it's really good with lasagna. But during Corona, you can't find anything and basil is that thing this time. So I'm putting some nice little fresh parsley, chopped up fresh parsley on top of the lasagna. So just sprinkle some parsley on top. You can also keep some so you can sprinkle some on your own personal dish. But trust and believe when I say basil is amazing on top of lasagna, it's so good. And I'm gonna start doing that little taste test for my video. So today I will be tasting a slice of this. I had to get me a spatula because it's lasagna. Got me a nice little piece. That was bomb. I haven't had this in forever. Amazing. You guys haven't noticed yet, the cheese mixture is kind of like a substitute for ricotta cheese because I don't like ricotta. I'll eat it, but that is good. Okay, so I had to get a piece of bread out, nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Taste it with some bread. Just gonna put it on top. This is so good. So I guess everybody is just gonna dig in now. We're gonna eat this with some Caesar salad to freshen it up. That's the end of my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any suggestions for future videos. Share this video with anybody and everybody. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Xzachlyee.